Hey guys, so I got another parcel and let's have a look. As always, I really don't know what's inside there. I'm ordering way too much stuff. I don't have any money. Just dropped this knife. Trigger warning, why? Knife. So, nice new stuff for my parcels. So, as I lost my job, I will stop selling cameras on Etsy because I just can earn 160 euros per month when I'm on government money. So, yeah, that's like one camera. So, this is an Olympus 700 Super Zoom BF. When you open up the camera and you hear it's working, and I'm thinking like, thanks for the battery for free. Okay, but I can't see any movement here. Nice. It's working with these batteries. Is there film inside? Nope. You got some film inside? Nope. Okay. Let's have a look. Okay. Did you hear that? Doesn't feel normal. It's a bit too slow, you know what I mean? Can we activate the flash somehow? Where's the flash, man? Like this is the button for no flash and for landscape. Maybe the flash isn't charged. Oh no. Did you see? That's interesting. You can see the point from the autofocus there. Okay, you have to wait like a little bit until the button. Dude, where's the flash? Because I bet this is too dark. Okay, you really have to wait a second. Yeah. Okay, I mean, camera seems to work fine. As always, I will remove the batteries. Yeah, so what I paid, 15 euros. I would sell this for 150 euros at least. In a few months when I got a job again. See you guys, thanks for watching.